After having my kids, I struggled with my weight and I wanted to enjoy my favorite Nigerian meals, but also lose weight. These four meals and a whole lot helped me do both. All the recipe for these meals I'm making are left in the description box below. All the recipes are really dated. So when I started my weight loss journey 2020 when I had my daughter. Yes, and I realized I think I was weighing something out there about 70 kg. Then I went to a almost 100 kg, and I tell you that was one time in my life that um I realized that motherhood is a whole lot. So I started with I just started with low calories meal, and the ones I would come online and I would see they seem so expensive for me at that time. So I just like, okay, what can I do? So that was when I started doing calories calculating. Then I discovered OMAD, that's 1 meal a day. So most of this meal that I'm making here are meals that I will eat once in a day. I ate these meals like once in a day, and I would use fruit to like make it feel filling. But I can assure you, everything I'm making here is a really filling dish. Like if you make this recipe, you make it with the with the grams I kept, the calories. Honestly, you will feel full, and if you even feel hungry, you can actually top it up with water or fruits. So if you're out there, you're a new mom, or you're not a mom but you want to lose weight and you're scared, or you've tried back and forth, like for me, I tried to lose weight like 4 times before I finally like pushed for it. So it's okay if you're not ready now. Don't worry. When you're ready, you definitely lose the weight. You definitely lose the weight. But I just want to tell you that you just take it one step at a time. For me, it took me 2 months to start seeing difference for my first child, because I was really, really ginger to do it. But for my second child, it took me like 4 months, because I was really like, I didn't work out that much. I wasn't feeling up to it, but I eventually lost the weight. So do not worry, just take it one step at a time. And if you're looking for inspiration on what can I make, just come here, click and watch. Okay, I personally, it's been a journey that I do not regret, because I feel okay now, I feel good now. And after I lost the weight didn't come back, because when I started Oman, people would tell me with Oman, that is 1 meal a day. When you lose the weight, it will come back. Mine didn't come back, because I did OMAD for almost 5 months, so I got used to the pattern. And OMAD actually helped curb my eating habits. So even when I had lost weight, I still stuck to OMAD till today. I do OMAD 5 times in a week, and I eat regularly, and I eat my 3 or 2 square meal twice in a week, because I realized like with OMAD you can actually control the amount of calories that you take compared to eating like 3, 4, 5, 6 times. For me, OMAD works, but if OMAD doesn't work for you, fine. You can actually like have a very light breakfast. You can actually have a very like low calories, healthy food like cucumber. You can have lots of cucumber and all that and work. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and thanks for those who have subscribed. Thank you so much. I'm new on this platform and it can get overwhelming. So thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the few comments I get here and there. I truly appreciate. And if you have not subscribed, well, please do. It will help me. It will help me. So also thank you everyone. Thank you for everyone for that are subscribed, that are supporting me one way or the other. I do appreciate. And thank you so much for watching. And would you want to try this recipe? Are these recipes what you want to try? If you want to try them, please do try these recipes. If you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to see what can work for you, you can actually try this recipe. And if you like it, why not keep on trying?